Stacking silver on a budget? You're in the right place. There is a government-backed, affordable silver option that most stackers overlook. It's not silver rounds, not silver bars, and not junk silver. It's perfect for beginners and seasoned silver stackers. Stick around, this hidden gem might be the smartest silver buy of the year. Let's get into it. So, what's this overlooked silver stacking secret? Cull silver. There are different types of cull silver, but today we're talking specifically about Cull 1 ounce American Silver Eagles. Now, what does cull mean? In the coin realm, cull refers to coins that are inferior. You know, the coins that you want to remove from a batch because they're scratched, toned, milk spotted, or just beat up. Collectors, they don't want them, but stackers, we love them. I have some Cull Eagles here. This one I'm holding, it's actually in pretty good shape. It just depends on what the dealer gives you. Now here is another Cull American Silver Eagle. This one, if you look closely, there's a few scratches here, some blemishes here on the obverse. But on the reverse doesn't look too bad. Here's another Silver Eagle. This is a 1991. Here's the obverse. The obverse, again, there's some blemishes here on the front here. And the reverse, some blemishes here too. That's not too bad. And now this one here, this one's just straight up dirty. The front's dirty. The back, I don't know, the back looks like they tried to clean it or something, but still, it's an American Silver Eagle. This is a 1993. This one's pretty bad shape. It's pretty dirty. And I also have a Philharmonic. These are legal tender in Austria. They're €1.50. This, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there's a little toning around the edge of the coin. That's why it was classified as cull. Otherwise, it's in pretty good shape. And here's a Britannia. Same thing. The Britannia, I don't know if you can see on the camera, but on this side here, we've got a little bit of toning on the edges. That's a Britannia. And since they're already blemished, you don't have to worry about, you know, getting fingerprints on them and so forth. You can just handle them, and I love that about that. You can just handle your silver. And even in this rough condition, guys, remember, they still hold their intrinsic value of 1 troy ounce of 3/9 fine pure silver. And at the end of the day, silver is silver is silver. So why are we stacking Cull American Silver Eagles? 2 main reasons. First, because they're considered blemished coins, the premiums on these are way lower than its counterpart, the BU Eagles. BU is just an acronym for Brilliant Uncirculated, which means they've never been circulated, which means they're nice and shiny and brand new. Second, American Silver Eagles are backed by the United States government for its weight and purity, even in rough shape. And they're recognized worldwide. Okay, so I called 3 coin shops in the greater Los Angeles area to get some pricing. And all 3 had Cull American Silver Eagles in stock. Shop number 1, they were going for $1.95 over spot. Shop number 2, $2.50 over spot, and shop number 3, $3.10 over spot. Now, prices may vary from store to store, so shop around for the lowest price. But do you see how low the premiums are? So these Cull Eagles really beat out the rest as far as cost goes. So, of course, I hit up shop number 1, which was the Alhambra Coin Center. They had the lowest premiums, and I've actually bought silver from them before. And I worked with Kevin. Super helpful, very knowledgeable, great staff all around, good prices, and mainly they have a great selection of silver. I have a link to their website in the description below, so if you're near the Los Angeles area, go check them out. And no, this is not a sponsored video. Okay, so guys, we're getting government-backed silver coins with these Cull Eagles, and we're getting them cheaper than generics. Perfect for stacking on a budget. Now, if you're planning to sell Cull American Silver Eagles, hopefully you won't have to, because I always preach, if you're stacking silver, the hope is to never have to sell your stack. Sure, you can sell off some here and there to enjoy and reap in some profits, but overall, the intention is to pass your stack down to your kids, family, your favorite pets, whoever. But if you do need to sell, don't expect to get even spot price. Most buyers, whether local coin shops or online dealers, will offer you around, I would say, $1 to $3 back of spot, depending on the condition of the coin and market demand. It could be more, it could be less. But don't let that discourage you. Remember, silver stacking isn't about quick profits or flipping coins overnight. It's a long-term game. Over time, especially as you continue stacking and bringing your cost average down, you'll make your premiums back on the Cull Silver Eagles, okay? Because we pay it so close to spot as it is. Cull Silver Eagles, a little rough, but super low premiums. Great for stacking on a budget. Think you'd stack Culls? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear what you think. If you enjoyed the video, hit that thumbs up button. And if you're new here, please subscribe. It really helps out. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care and keep stacking.